So here's how we can change some specific object using a Lightroom on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, make sure you run the latest version of Lightroom on your iPad. And yeah, once you get inside, make sure you have your photo ready. And in the right edge of the display, we have a couple of buttons and toggles. And one of them, it's like this circular icon with the outline on it. I don't know if it's supposed to represent a mask, but you have to click on it. And this is the part of the Lightroom which lets you specifically choose areas of the images that you want to work with, right? So I can, for example, click on that, tap on the plus, and I don't know, I can select just the background automatically, or select the subject, or create a mask like that. But it depends on how you want to do this. For example, you can select the subject like this. It will kind of automatically create it, and then you will only be making changes to that thing, right? So it kind of works, if you ask me. But you also have the color range, so you can only change or select the type of color which you want to work with, right? Or you also have the brush tool, so you can basically just select the thing that you want to be working with in here, manually with a brush, and only select the mask where you want to apply the changes to. So as you can see, there are more ways how we can select the parts of the image you want to change or edit within a Lightroom, so we don't apply the changes to whole image, but only the selected parts. And there are, as you can see, more ways how you can select the parts here. So that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to find it and make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.